What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is Wednesday. You know what day it is. I'm going to Darlington. We're going to try G-Roy again at the track. The last time we had it there, it had a bunch of issues where it was throwing check engine lights, which was probably pulling time in. It was throwing some O2 sensor codes, which was probably messing with fuel. So we're going to do two things today. Well, I already got the check engine light stuff figured out, and the car feels totally different on the street than it does previously. Also, it's a lot cooler today. It's about like 90 degrees earlier, but it is cooling down now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the passenger seat out, the back seats out, and all the junk I got in the trunk, because I forgot about all that shit that I got back there. And we're going to try to take some weight out of this thing and see what we can still do with the stock converter. I still haven't had time to change the converter yet. Hopefully sometime next week before Darlington comes up again, we'll have time to change it again. But yeah, and also I had an issue where the lifters that I had in here before ate one of my push rods up, and it was jacking up a rocker. So I changed that out, and that's fixed. So I'm slowly just fixing little issues that I'm having with the car, just to try to sort it out before I sell it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in here, get some tools. Damn bugs. Go in here, get some tools, pull the seats out, and see if we can knock some ET off it. If we can go 12.9 today, especially with the weather and the DA being a lot lower, it should work out a lot better. And hopefully we can get us like a small grudge going on with somebody. I don't know yet. Some people just be trying to bully me because I got an LS, but they don't understand how heavy this damn car is, and I got an overdrive trans and stock converter. It's just slow, and I miss turbo cars. But anyway, we're gonna get to it, and then I catch back up to y'all when we get to the track. All right, guys, we out here at the track. Finally made it. I just did a hit, ran a Scat Pack Challenger. Fucked him up, drilled him on the tree, but he started walking me on up top. Car did pick up a couple tenths. It went 13.1 at 105, so we picked up a mile an hour and 1 mile an hour and like 2 or 3 tenths. So interested to see what it'll do with a converter, and we're gonna wait for it to cool down a little more, and we're gonna make another hit. I'll probably do 2 or 3 hits tonight, not sure yet. Oh, nah, ain't no 10. Okay, I didn't even see that before. Yeah, we last 2 weeks, everybody thought that rain was gonna come in. Yo, this fucking car is so sick, bro. Look at the fucking wheels. All right, guys, so we're back in the lanes again. Challenger said he wants some more head-up smoke, so we're gonna run it again. Hopefully we'll pick up some more ET. Cars are pretty cool right now. Track's cool down. Some grudge race just happened between a damn, I got the video of it, between a Pro Charge 5th gen and an All Motor 6th gen. All Motor 6th gen took it. Pro Charge car fell asleep at the tree, and All Motor car was out about a car and a half before even the damn Pro Charge car left. So it'll be like that sometimes. Yeah, I'm waiting on Hey Mason, what's about to happen to you, my boy?
What's about to happen to me? Well, what's about to happen to you?
Oh, I'm about to win. You about to get... I can't say that word.
You better drive home like this.
Hey, you're gonna have to sleep on your stomach tonight. I'm gonna hit you with a John. Alright, that's cool.
So what we got on this? 10 grand?
Yeah, 10 grand.
10 grand?
Yeah.
Alright. Locked.
Head up.
Dave's holding the money.
Dave's holding the money.
Big stack.
He got it in his back. Not his back pocket, but his back.
We can make it 15 if you give me the back tire.
Right, it's about to be the shittiest thumbnail ever. Watch. It's gonna have this piece of shit. Like, look at this thing. What is this? It's fucking Cobra SVT.
4-valve.
Look at this.
5-speed.
This is how you know.
Dude, this has got a Cervini hood on it, alright?
Let's look at that.
This motherfucker's so fast that you have a clear coat on that.
Damn, Bomex body kit. What is this?
No, this is a Stalker front bumper, I believe it is, and
That's a Vader Type 6
Cervini
hood.
hood.
Yeah,
for sure.
Cervini.
A what?
Cervini.
This is the best
That's an OG
$3,000
Mustang
John
stuff.
ever spent to let me fuck it up.
Y'all running?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You got a 4.6 in it that overheats. That's why we don't leave it running.
I was gonna give you 10.
Oh, 10 grand is on the
I
line.
was gonna give it 10.
You give me 10 cars and I'll fuck that thing up.
You got it.
Lock it in. Lock it in.
Box said, "Mama ain't raised no
You
bitch."
put steps on a race and Bog's about it.
Right?
He won't even give me the back tire. It's a stock
Woo!
4.6 with a 5-speed.
I got overdrive. I'm on that new kick,
Yeah,
bro.
you got-
I got overdrive.
You got that torque
I got
converter.
overdrive.
You got a torque
And a
converter.
stock converter.
It doesn't matter, it still has a torque converter.
Talk to me nice.
I got a stock clutch.
You know what that sound like? Your problem.
Hey, you just wait till that tail pipe come up and smack you in the
Just
windshield.
don't leave them U-joints at the line, all right, please.
No promises. There's gonna be a divot in the track where that crash comes in.
Did it blow up?
No.
Why'd you coast in?
It killed the belt.
Oh no.
So that's why I didn't make the first turn off. It's got a hydro boost.
Oh
I
God.
lost the belt and I had no brakes.
Hey, well, so you riding home on your stomach today or what?
I reckon. Hey, till next
Jesus.
time, brother.
God. And you got drilled on the tree.
I did not get drilled.
I told you it was gonna get drilled on the tree. From my standpoint, you got drilled on the tree.
Yeah, I got drilled on the tree. Where'd you go?